Wagwan, my Flavor Pot family. Welcome back to the channel, Dre's Authentic Flavor Pot, where every meal tells a story. And I want to say big up to all my subscribers. Thank you for your support. And for everyone that's not yet subscribed, if you come across this video, please to subscribe and join the Flavor Pot family. Like, share, and comment under the video and subscribe. Big up on yourself again, my supporters. So today I'll be doing some beef kidney, and yes, I know this is, one of the least favorite meat because it's a cow organ, and a lot of people don't like that. But this is common, most commonly eaten are known in Jamaica and other Caribbean countries. And a little important part to this, the beef kidney, it's high in quality protein and iron, which help make the red blood cells, and vitamin B12 that it's important for blood and nerve functioning, and also other B vitamins and mineral, and quite a few more good stuff that's good for the body. And I know once it's prepared properly, I know you will surely enjoy this meal. So, come make us see what I want and prepare this meal. So, the first thing to do as usual is clean up our meat. So, we want to get rid of all these white fats. You're going to cut all of those white part off as best as you can. Cut those off. And, you're going to cut your meat up in small pieces, in small portion, or your preferred size. But for me, I like to cut them up into small portions. And then after that, we're going to start washing it, which you're going to use your vinegar, and I prefer to use warm water from the pipe to wash the kidney. And I won't lie, the kidney, it has a distinctive smell, so you might not like the smell of it, but you just need to wash it properly with vinegar and lime if you have it, and wash it thoroughly. And yeah, you're good to go. And it's not a too awful smell. All raw meat come with a type of smell, but it's just raw meat. So next, after that, we're going to move on to washing out the sink with some bleach and soap. Then next, we're going to move on to start cleaning up some veggies and seasoning that I'm going to use to season the kidney. So we're going to move right along and start prepping. Yeah, so these are all my natural seasoning that I'll be using to season my meat today. Yeah, so after I finish cutting up my seasoning and dicing my veggies, I move along to adding all of these to the bowl with the kidney. Then next, I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, some black pepper, some paprika, Adobo All-purpose, some complete seasoning and browning, and also some jerk seasoning and some cut pepper and some crushed pimento bean. And I'm going to use my hand to go in and massage everything together. Yeah, we're going to combine all these seasonings together. And after that, you can set this aside for like 2 hours for everything to marinate until cooking time. So this is what it look like after you season your meat and put it aside to marinate. Next, we're going to go ahead and heat some oil. Get your pot, put on the stove, and put your stove on medium heat and heat your oil. Then next, we're going to go right ahead and we're going to pour all your kidney in the season and everything. We're going to pour everything in the pot one time. So after everything is inside the pot, you're going to use a big spoon and you're going to stir everything all in together. So yeah, give a stir, everything together. And next, you're going to cover the pot and leave it there to simmer, and it's going to spring its own water. So you're going to put this on medium heat and leave it there to take your time and cook down. And next, I'm gonna move on to start doing some white buttery rice, which I'm going to pair with this lovely kidney. So yeah.
Feet in the sand, ooh, so free, palm trees.
So as you see here, I'm checking on the kidney, and as you can see in the pot, it has sprung some water, and that water is almost dried out. So I added some more water to it, and also add some butter and a little ketchup, which is optional. So yeah, we stirred in everything again together and cover the pot again to do some more simmering. So while I give the kidney some time to cook down on its own, I went ahead and start washing my white rice. And yeah, you're gonna wash that a few times. Then I'm gonna go ahead, put my pot, put it on the stove, and I add some salt to it and butter, mixing everything, and I'm gonna leave that on the stove to steam on low heat. And yeah, this is a simple process, guys. It's a quick and simple meal. So, and everything is going to be in the description, the ingredients and the direction of how everything is done will be in the description.